Okay, so your test today shouldn't be too complicated. It's relatively the same thing we always do. We introduce our PSAT words. The presentation of which will be shared to you, and you'll find that in the inbox of your Google Docs. Will look something like this. Normally do this in the projector in the center of the classroom. We're all watching together, and we have to wait for everybody to finish this and that, and we have to go back, and it's fine. But today, everybody will have viewing capabilities for the same test. You'll notice that they're numbered. This is our old PSAT Part 6 practice. I'm not going to show you the test on this because then you'll go and look up the answers. Number 1 will correspond with our answer sheet number 1, and when you're done with that, go on to 2. Do understand there's 25 words. They're present on each selection of our answer sheet. I'm going to show you that right now. So use each one only once. And your answer sheet, which is a Google form, should show up in your inbox of your Gmail account. It should say something like this: here's your form, PSAT test, etc., etc. But I think it's actually this. PSAT test parts 5 and 6. Yeah, it's this one. And you should be able to take this in your email if you want. That's fine. If you want to look at it, which has the cute little background, those little guys, really nice. So make sure you put your name first and last. And as you can see, all 25 options are present for 1. All 25 options are present for 2. And for example, going back to this was number 1 on our actual test. And you felt it was something, something, something. You would go back and choose out of these 25, whichever something, something, something you think it is. And then of course you go on to your 2 over here. And decide out of these 25. To understand, once it's used, if you felt repressed for whatever reason was the answer to number 1, you would not use that again on the rest of the test. So each one has a single solitary best answer. Each question, if you will, or prompt should only have one best response, and use each vocab word only once. So 25 words, and down the bottom there should be 25 prompts. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe I can get rid of that. Don't worry about it. Any questions, you shouldn't. Just ask your teacher. Won't be a problem. Do make sure when you're done you hit submit. Do not hit submit ahead of time. I got to take the first quiz you submit, and it will be the single solitary only quiz that you submit. And don't forget your contract of which you'll sign. So when you take your test, you only have open one browser, one program, 2 windows or tabs. One tab will be your test, the other tab will be your answer sheet, and that's it.